Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Sayyid Aleen Abdul and I'm a foundation level student in Rehan School. So viewers, today I will give you a TEDx review on the topic of why do we do what do we want by Tony Robbins. Have you ever wondered why we make certain choices even when you have to know what is not best for you? In this powerful TEDx talk by Tony Robbins dives deep into human behavior and uncovers the hidden forces that drives our actions. With his energetic styles and real-life insights, he challenges the way we think about motivation, success, and happiness. Tony Robbins explains that emotion, not logic, are the primary drivers of our decisions. He introduces the idea that all human behavior is guided by the need to avoid pain, gain pleasure. According to him, these two forces shape everything we do, from small daily habits to life changing decisions. He also talks about six human needs: certainty, uncertainty, variety, significance, love, connection, growth, and contribution. Robin argues that everyone prioritizes their needs differently, and understanding can be us the better understand ourselves and others. One of the most impactful part of this talk is when he emphasizes the success without fulfillment is failure. Robin delivers a passionate and engaging TEDx talk. He connects with the audience through storytelling, humor, and powerful questions that make you reflect on your own life. Understanding why do we want, what do we gives the powerful changes of life. When we become aware of some emotional needs and patterns, we can make better choices and create more meaningful life. Overall, this TEDx is inspiring and thought-provoking. Tony Robbins doesn't just explain human behavior; he pushes you to control of it. If you are interested in personal growth, motivation, or psychology, this talk is worth watching for you. So, viewers, this was my TEDx review on this topic. Why do we do what do we want by Tony Robbins. I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. This is Irene Abdul. Allah Hafiz and Pakistan Zindabad.